Hello everyone. Welcome back to another English learning video. Today we are going to practice English together in a calm and simple way. This lesson is for listening, speaking, and pronunciation. We will use a special method called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen carefully to each sentence first. Then you repeat the same sentence after me. Try to copy my sound, my rhythm, and my emotion. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Now relax, take a deep breath, and let us begin our story. My name is Daniel Wright, and this is the story of one long night that changes my life. I live in a small city near the ocean. It is a quiet place. Life here moves slowly. Most days are the same. Work, home, sleep. Nothing special usually happens. But one night, everything is different. It is November 12th. The weather is cold. The sky is dark. Rain falls softly from the clouds. The streets shine under the lights. I stand alone at the old train station. The station is very quiet. The lights are yellow and weak. The walls are old and cracked. I check the time on my phone. It is 10:45 p.m. My train is late. I sigh quietly. I put my hands into my jacket pockets. I wait. Only a few people are here. They sit far away from each other. No one talks. I hear the rain outside. I hear the wind. I hear my own breathing. I feel tired. I look around the station again. This place feels forgotten, like time moves slower here. Then I see her. She stands near the ticket machine. She wears a long gray coat. Her hair is dark and wet from the rain. She presses the screen again and again. The machine makes an error sound. She steps back. She looks confused. Our eyes meet for 1 second. Then she looks away. I do not know why, but I feel something inside me. I feel like I should help her. I walk slowly toward her. I stop a few steps away. "Excuse me," I say softly. "Do you need help?" She looks at me. Her eyes look tired but kind. She nods. "Yes," she says. "This machine is not working." I look at the screen. I press a button. Nothing happens. I smile a little. "I think it is broken," I say. She sighs. "That is my luck today," she says quietly. We stand there in silence. The rain outside gets stronger. "My name is Daniel," I say. "I come here often. The machines break a lot." She smiles a little. "I am Lena," she says. "I do not come here often." I point to a bench near the wall. "You can sit there," I say. "The train will come soon, I hope." She laughs softly. "I hope so too," she says. We walk to the bench. We sit with a small space between us. The station clock ticks loudly. Tick, tick, tick. "Are you going far?" I ask. She shakes her head. "No," she says. "Just one stop. I'm visiting my sister." I nod. "That sounds nice," I say. She looks down at her hands. "What about you?" she asks. "I am going home," I say. "I work late." We sit quietly, but this silence feels comfortable. The lights above us flicker. She looks up. "This place feels lonely," she says. "Yes," I reply, "but tonight it feels less lonely." She looks at me. She smiles. I feel my heart beat faster. A sound fills the station. The speaker crackles. "Attention, the train will arrive in 30 minutes." She sighs. 30 more minutes, she says. I think for a moment. There's a small cafe inside the station, I say. It is old but warm. She hesitates. Then she nods. That sounds nice, she says. We stand up. We walk together slowly. The cafe is small and quiet. It smells like coffee and old wood. We sit at a small table near the window. The waiter comes. We order tea. Steam rises from the cups. She wraps her hands around the cup. Thank you for talking to me, she says. I feel less tired now. I smile. Me too. Outside, rain hits the glass. Inside, everything feels calm. Sometimes, she says slowly, a simple night can feel important. I nod. Yes, I say. I feel that too. We talk quietly. About work, about family, about small dreams. Time moves fast. Suddenly, the lights in the cafe flicker. Then everything goes dark. The cafe becomes silent. I hear Lena breathe fast. Daniel? She asks softly. I am here, I say. I reach out my hand. She finds it. She holds it tightly. Do not worry, I say. The lights will come back. Her hand is warm. I feel calm. A soft blue light appears near the wall. We both look. A small old clock on the wall begins to glow. That's strange, she whispers. Yes, I say. Very strange. Then the lights come back on. Everything looks normal again. The clock stops glowing. We look at each other. We laugh nervously. That was scary, she says. Yes, I reply, but also interesting. The speaker announces the train. Attention, the train is arriving now. She looks at the door. That's my train, she says. We stand up. We walk back to the platform. The rain is lighter now. The train arrives slowly. She turns to me. Thank you for tonight, she says. I will remember it. I smile. Me too. She steps on to the train. Before the doors close, she looks back. She smiles again. The train moves away. I stand there alone, but I do not feel lonely. I feel something new. Hope. That night, I cannot sleep. I think about her smile, her voice, her hand in mine. The next morning, I wake up early. I check the time. I think about the station. I think about Lena. I put on my jacket. I walk toward the station. I do not know why, but my heart tells me to go. I walk slowly toward the station. The morning air feels cold. The sky is gray. I do not know what I am looking for, but I feel something pulling me forward. When I arrive at the station, it looks the same as last night. Old walls, yellow lights, quiet sounds. I look around carefully. She is not there. I feel a little disappointed, but I am not surprised. I sit on the same bench. I close my eyes. I remember her voice. I remember her smile. Minutes pass. People come and go. Then I hear footsteps. I open my eyes. She is standing near the ticket machine. Again. Lena. My heart beats fast. I stand up slowly. I walk toward her. She turns around. Her eyes grow wide. Daniel? She says. I smile. Good morning, I say. I was hoping to see you. She smiles back. I was hoping too, she says. We stand there for a moment. Neither of us speaks. Then she laughs softly. This is strange, she says, but it feels right. I nod. Yes, I say. It does. We sit on the bench again, closer this time. I could not stop thinking about last night, she says. Me neither, I reply. She looks at me. Do you believe that some meetings are not accidents? I think for a moment. Maybe some moments are meant to happen. She smiles. I like that answer, she says. We talk for a long time. About our childhood, about school, about mistakes. Time passes quickly. She checks her phone. I should go, she says. But can we meet again? My heart feels warm. Yes, I say quickly. I would like that very much. We exchange phone numbers. She stands up. She hesitates. Then she hugs me. It's a soft hug, but it feels important. I'm glad I met you, she says quietly. Me too, I reply. She walks away.